Welcome. If you've ever sent a photo on Messenger only to find it looks blurry or compressed, you're not alone. Luckily, Messenger now lets you send your photos in stunning HD quality, so your memories stay crisp and clear. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to send HD photos on Messenger, making sure your images look their best every time. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you have the latest version installed so you can access all the newest features. Once you're in, start a new chat, or open an existing conversation with the person you want to share your photo with. Next, look for the gallery icon usually found at the bottom of your chat screen. Tap this icon to open your photo library and select the image you want to send. Take your time to choose the perfect shot, whether it's a beautiful landscape, a group selfie, or a special moment you want to share. After selecting your photo, tap the Edit button. This will open up the editing options, where you can make quick adjustments or add creative touches if you like. But here's the important part. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an option labeled HD quality. Tap on this to enable high definition for your photo. When HD is turned on, Messenger will send your image in much higher resolution, preserving all those fine details and vibrant colors. Once you've enabled HD quality, simply tap the Send button. Your photo will be delivered in HD, and your recipient will see a small HD badge on the image, letting them know it's been sent in the best possible quality. That's it. With just a few taps, you can make sure your photos look sharp and professional, whether you're sharing with friends, family, or colleagues. Give it a try the next time you want your pictures to stand out. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your memories in HD.